Now I am going to solve your questions of exercise 1.3. This is multiplication of integers. This exercise depends on the multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. First, when one integer multiplication of positive and negative integer, that is a into minus b. A positive integer, b it is negative integer. Product will be minus ab. This product, the sign will be, the product sign will be minus. When positive, note positive into negative is equal to negative, or negative into positive is equal to negative. Second, multiplication of two negative integers. That is minus a into minus b. The product will be plus a into b. Product sign is positive. Product sign is positive. Note minus into minus is equal to positive. Product sign. Now of the negative are more than three negative integers. That is minus a into minus b into minus c is equal to minus into minus plus, that is minus a into b into c. The product sign is negative. It means minus into minus into minus is equal to minus. Or here minus a into minus b into minus c into minus d is equal to plus a into b into c into d. The product sign is positive. Here we see that when if you odd now, negative sign are odd. Negative signs are odd and negative signs are even. When the negative signs are odd, the sign is minus. When the negative signs are even, the sign is plus. The product sign will be plus, and then product sign will be negative. If it is odd numbers, then it is negative. If it is the even numbers, it will be the positive. Now, properties, some properties of integers for multiplication. First, closure property. A into B is equal to AB, and integer AB are integers. A into B, two integers are multiplied, a integer comes. This is the closure property. The second is commutative property. Commutative property, A into B is equal to B into A. A, B are integers. A and B are integers. Then A into B we can multiply. A into B and B into A, the both value will be same. This property is known as commutative property. Third is associative property. That is A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. A, B, C are integers. Here we can take any group. We can make any group, and after making group, the value will be same when we those are multiplied by the others. Here, when this B and C when multiplied and then multiplied by A, either here when A and B are multiplied and the product will be multiplied with C, the total value, the both value will be same. This property is known as associative property. Most important property is here. Distributivity. Distributive property, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is distributivity distributive multiplication of multiplication over addition. Multiplicativity of the multiplication over addition. If A is multiplied by B plus C, it will come A into B plus A into C, A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property. This is most important property for this chapter. Identity. Multiplicative identity. When A is multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 into A, this is equal to A. 1 is, that is 1. 1 is multiplicative identity of integers. integers. One is multiplicative additive. The one any integer. A is an integer. A is an integer. So for every integer A, when multiplied by 1, or 1 is multiplied by any integer, it gives the integer. There is no change in the value of the integers. Now multiplication by 0. Multiplication with 0. Here A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. A is an integer. A is an integer. For every integer A, when multiplied by 0, or 0 is multiplied by any integer, the value comes 0. So this is these are the properties of the multiplications of the integers. So on the basis of these, we can solve our questions 1.3. Now question. This is one. Question 1. A is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. We know that the positive integer, when multiplied by any negative integer, it gives the product sign will be minus. One is plus and second is minus. When it is multiplied, the product will be minus, and the product is 3 into 1. This is equal to minus 3. The answer is equal to minus 3. For F, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Here solution, taking these two, when minus is multiplied by minus, so this will give the value plus. So when minus is multiplied by minus, it gives plus 12 into 11 into 10. Now this is plus 132 into 10, that is equal to 1320. Here the total value will be, this is answer. This is answer. If we multiply these two, these are the even number, minus A into minus A. So this will be plus into 12 into 11 is product. This is product. This minus is plus. This value is 132, and multiplied by 10 it gives. Now F. For J solution. Solution is minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So these four integers are minus with minus sign, and when it is multiplied, these are the even numbers. The total value will become, the product sign will be, if these are even. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 minus here, but even numbers. So when even numbers are multiplied, the product sign comes plus, and product is 3 into 6 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 6. That is answer. We can solve all the questions of 1.3. If you have any difficulty, then you can consult with me with this number. Thank you.